Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to delete all indicators and drawings on your TradingView app. And now let's dive right in. Now to delete all of the drawings and indicators you're currently using on the TradingView app, first open up your TradingView app on your phone. And you land on the watch list section of your TradingView app, where you can see the chart button available for us at the right side of the watch list at the bottom left corner of the section where I'm tapping. Tap on the chart button. And over here you can see the pen icon over here where it says the currently fixed range volume profile. Maybe there is something over here. Tap on that pen icon and you can see let's go back, and you can see on this section we are currently in the favorites section of my TradingView account, and you can see the tool section over here just beside the favorites where I'm tapping. And if you tap on the tool section, guys, you can see the remove all the drawings button over here where it says let's undo it, guys, over here. And if you tap on it, you'll be able to remove either just the 22 drawings, 2 indicators, or remove all objects depending upon your choice. And if you tap on the remove all objects like this, you can see all of the indicators and the drawings which I used in my TradingView charting has been deleted. And this way, guys, you will be able to delete all the indicators and drawings on your TradingView chart. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.